I'm going to show you how to split tomato plants and replant them so they are slightly stockier and less leggy. When we sow tomato plants on the windowsill, it's usually fairly early in the sort of spring and the sun's pretty low. You have to sow them inside, and unless you're lucky enough to have an amazing grow light or a heated greenhouse, your tomatoes will probably shoot up looking for the sun and get a little bit stretched, a bit like this. These actually aren't too bad, but I'm going to repot them anyway because I want to split them. I sowed 2 seeds in this pot, hoping that at least one would germinate, but actually both did. And rather than throw one away, I think I'll just split them, make 2 plants. So all you need to do is get a slightly bigger pot than the one you already have. It doesn't have to be massive, just a little bit big is fine. Get some compost and pop some in the bottom. It doesn't have to be that much, about 1/3 is fine. Then, carefully, turn your original pot upside down with your fingers like this. So they're touching the surface of the compost, but they're not actually touching the plants because you can damage them really easily otherwise. And squeeze the pot, let it out, turn it back up, and then, if you're lucky, they'll split apart really easily as the root system just come away. Not too bad. So pop that one down there for now. What you want to do is get the new level of the compost just below these leaves. These are called seed leaves, and the tomato will actually root out from the stem below them, which will stabilise it. Because it stabilises itself from the roots, it'll be a much more resilient plant and look much stockier and fatter, which is what you really want, rather than a leggy type of specimen. So make a little hollow in the compost that you have so you can get the plant fairly low down. What you're trying to do is get the compost up to around here, just below the seed leaves, so they're almost resting on the surface, because it will root out from here. All you have to do then, get some compost and very gently sprinkle it around the stem. If you need to touch the plant, hold a leaf or a seed leaf gently. Don't ever touch the stem because it's very easy to damage that. And if you do damage the stem, the plant could die. So you just sprinkle it around almost so the plant doesn't realise what's happening. Give it a tap to settle the soil, compost around it. And give it a water. And that's it.